Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this short video I will show you how to synchronize views in Ansys Fluent. So let's get started. First of all, I will display the mesh, and also I have two contours. I can display this one as well. I will display in a new window this pressure contour, and after that I will display the wall shear stress in another new window. So now I have three different views for wall shear stress, static pressure, and the mesh, as you can see. Actually I'm going to talk about and show you this synchronize view, synchronize all windows view, all these three. For example, in this case, this synchronize views feature actually allows you to link multiple graphic windows together. So when you pan, zoom, or rotate in one window, the same view is automatically applied to all others. So to have a better visualization, I will right click on one of these tabs and use the Subwindow view. Then I will adjust this three window beside each other. So you can adjust it by dragging one side, for example, like this, and adjust these three beside each other. So I can do it like this, and then I can increase the width of this one as well. So it's almost adjust beside each other. It's good, and this feature actually can help you in the post-processing and compare the result. For example, in this case they are not synchronized yet. So if I, for example, rotate one of these, it is only for this view that I am just rotating, or using the pan view to move this one, or increase the zoom in or zoom out. But if I use this synchronize view, actually this is a part of this toolbar. As you can see, I have different toolbars here. This is under this view. If I deactivate and activate it again, you will see it is under this view. So now if I click here and use this synchronize view, so all of this window will be synchronized to each other like this. And I can, for example, use fit to window and use the isometric view, for example. So you will see when I change one of this one, the two others will be affected also, like this one. So it is very good, actually good feature to compare, for example, the result of these two. But if you are interested, for example, to stop one of these synchronize, you can simply right click on one of this window, for example this one, or this mesh, for example. So I will right click, and under the synchronize I can remove this window from synchronizing. So if I remove this one and actually change the position or rotate it, so these two will not be affected. But if I rotate one of these two are still synchronized to each other. But I can also add this view again to synchronize by right click, go to synchronize, and add this window actually. So all of this will be synchronized to each other, and so I can use this feature. And if you are going to stop this synchronizing, you can simply click on this button here, and you will see this shape will be automatically changed. But you can also right click on one of this one, go to synchronize, and use the stop button. So it will not, now these are not actually synchronized with each other. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching.